Go ahead, Ariel.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Little cat sing Our Father, Mama.
You can keep. Oh, Yellow Cat sang the Our Father too? Where's Yellow Cat? Oh, there's Yellow Cat and Yellow Bear next to you praying. Okay. Here, why don't you finish praying?
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done. No offenses in heaven. Give us our day, our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, and we will know those trespasses against us. This is not into the teaching. Amen.
That's good praying.
I want to see.
Okay.